Kate joins us now with more on our forecast, and we're starting to see a little effect from Florence down the shore where Cleve was.
Yeah, little effects. Yeah, we're definitely not getting the brunt of this storm, but we will see some coastal impacts today and tomorrow, and then Florence may loop around and bring us some inland impacts next Tuesday. So this storm is not going away anytime soon, even for us here, but of course the impacts most pronounced over the Carolinas, where days upon days of rain will cause catastrophic inland flooding, as well as the coastal impacts from a landfalling, likely Category 2 hurricane. Let's take a look outside right now. We'll start with our local outlook, and you can see in Philadelphia it is another gloomy day. It's relatively quiet as far as rainfall is concerned. Get a couple of showers here and there, but not a ton of rain today, but not a ton of sun either. There have been times on and off through the day where it looks like it's trying to brighten up, and then just as quickly the clouds come back in place, and it's going to be a bit gloomy again tomorrow. So you can see on Storm Scan 3 the clouds are thinning out just a bit. We did have some breaks of sun up in the Poconos. The further north you go, the more sunshine you'll see, but some of these cloud bands are actually clouds associated with Hurricane Florence. It's a very, very large storm, and those clouds starting to lift up the coast. But not much in the way of rainfall out there this evening, just perhaps a shower or two. 76 is the current temperature, let's say, in Philadelphia, 76 in Millville, 78 in both Reading and Lancaster. So with that east wind, it's another cool day, at least for the time of year. Overnight, an isolated shower. Some patchy fog will develop as well. We'll drop down to 70 for the overnight low. It's pretty seasonable. Winds are out of the east, once again, at 10 miles an hour. So that east wind just will continue to impact the shore points right through the end of the week and into the weekend, leading to the risk for minor coastal flooding, some beach erosion as well. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. There may again be a few breaks of sun. The further north you go, the better chance you have to see some blue sky. A shower is possible, though. 78 degrees will be our Friday high. As we shift down to Florence, again, you can see those outer shower bands not really making it into our area. A few of them may clip portions of southern Delaware overnight or into tomorrow, but for the most part, Florence's rainfall staying south of here. You can see the eye, and it looks like it's not very far offshore. The problem is it's moving very, very slowly. Watch how slowly the eye is going to progress. This is at midnight, still off the coast, and look at these winds. Morehead City, 94-mile-an-hour winds possible. Winds still in the 90s early tomorrow morning in Morehead City. Jacksonville seeing winds to 83 miles an hour. These are gusts, by the way. The eye just barely coming on shore tomorrow morning, and wind gusts in the 70-mile-per-hour range in Wilmington and Jacksonville. And just very slowly we see that eye meander on shore tomorrow into the weekend. So that is just 2 days worth of onshore flow, battering east winds, and storm surge, leading to catastrophic conditions at the coast. And then we talk about the rain. Look at these numbers. Over 24 inches of rain possible by Monday in Wilmington, and then that rainfall starts to lift up the east coast. And by Tuesday, we could even see over an inch of rain from Florence. A tornado watch has also been issued through tonight throughout the Outer Banks. A landfalling hurricane is known to produce generally weak and short-lived tornadoes, but the threat is there. So again, we've got a storm surge risk, we've got a wind risk, a tornado threat, and then probably what will be the trademark of this storm, the massive flooding that will occur with its slow forward motion. So for us, the weekend looks pretty salvageable. It actually looks dry both days with highs around 80. Monday is quiet as well, and then Florence's moisture doesn't get here until next Tuesday. So the shore gets it on the front end, inland areas get it on the back end, but we do manage to eke out a weekend in between.
A little bit.
Well, okay then.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kate.
Thanks, Kate.
You're welcome.
So